Ladies and gentlemen, today is no nonsense day. I want to put this thing in clear coat. It's taken a long time. I'm going to sand this primer back to 400 grit, degrease everything. I do have to do a little bit more Bondo on one very obvious spot, so I'm going to bang that out super fast. We're going to get this thing put in clear coat in this video, and then I'm going to be able to put this subframe on the car, and we're going to be able to have a rolling Nissan S13 shell at the end of this video. No nonsense.
Swisher boys, little bitch.
Sanding through the firewall, which is the place that I applied the least amount of primer to. And then while I was sanding, I started revealing parts of the metal again. I don't want to do that. I want to have everything gray when I clear coat it. So I went over to the store and bought some more primer. I'm back today. I have to respray like the primary areas with primer, and then I have to do a little bit more spraying on the firewall. Then it will dry. I will sand it back again and prep it for clear coat. I'm hoping to clear coat it today. Yeah, you know, love to be there. It would probably be fine. I've got everything sanded, I've got everything masked off. I've done pretty much all the degreasing I can do at this point. I'm gonna go ahead and start clearing the car now. You guys can't see it yet. You're actually in the engine bay right now, and it looks so good. There's no drips that I can find so far, like no runny spots. I might have to wet sand and buff some spots here and there, but I can do that after the motor's in. But this thing looks so clean, super smooth, and it's really glossy. I'll show it to you guys now. You tell me what you think in the comments. I know I said at the beginning of this video that I wanted to have this thing a rolling chassis by the end of this video, and today is my last official day to work on the car. Usually I finish working on Tuesday, I edit the video on Wednesday, and you guys see it on Thursday. So today is Tuesday. What I need to do, I did not clear coat these pieces over here, these like support engine bay pieces. They're just other parts of the engine bay. I have to clear coat those, and then I have to begin assembling the front subframe, press in some ball joints, basically get like the front knuckles and all that stuff bolted back together so I can put it under the car. Patience is a virtue.
It's just wild because he was really getting hit with.
Yeah.
And I see this truck.
Nice. That's better.
His birthday's today, actually.
That's a homeschooler, man. Not even like in a bad way.
No, he's like the ideal homeschooler.
Yeah, it's like the man. Dude, this is so satisfying, man. This whole video is gonna be so satisfying. The car gets painted.
Was it fun?
Yeah, it was so fun.
That's sick.
Wow, snap. Rio Vista.
Yeah. Dang, I'm showing up on the stuff just a little late.
I know.
I just missed it.
Well, you would have been on.
Do you have the
Impact.
impact?
That takes all the weight off.
Yeah.
For ideas. She doesn't know. Like, she can't think of. She can't think that there's any other way to live.
Alright, so the car is technically a rolling chassis now. I'm not going to put the wheels on it because I haven't yet installed the rack and pinion or the tie rods, so each wheel turns independent of the other. But the car is technically a rolling chassis. If I were to put the wheels on, it would support its own weight and it would move. The engine bay looks really good. From this point forward, I have to kind of reassess the build plan and figure out what I want to prioritize next. I have to hook up the brakes next video, I know that. That's pretty much it. All the body work is done, the paint work is done. Now we'll move into minor details until this thing is running again. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you next video.